Hi YouTube, we're back out here again on this trunk. Went ahead and got the lock popped out of it. We're gonna get primer and paint up under there. We're gonna add some filler where we added our patch pieces. Getting them blocked down, ready to go. Still too cold to prime anything. We're gonna get it done. Alright, we got our places cleaned up where we're going to add our filler. Got them all wiped down, ready to go. We're going to mix up some filler, get it wiped down. Then we'll start blocking it out. Alright, YouTube. Got our filler put in. Doesn't look too pretty right now. Doesn't have to. About to start roughing it in. As soon as we get it roughed in, we'll start blocking it out. Alright, we got our filler roughed in. Keep in mind, this isn't finalized. They're just getting the heavy stuff knocked down. I'm about to grab my sanding block, start blocking it, getting everything straight. Alright, YouTube, we got our filler block down. Side came out real nice. And over here, I took a little too much out. Got a low spot right here. Have another low spot right here. We'll have to get some more filler put in it. But as for today, that's going to be it. Running out of daylight. Hopefully sometime next week, we may have a day where we can try and get this thing in primer along with the roof. But with our crazy Georgia weather, you never can tell.